Hello, I'm Gary Markosha, and I would like to introduce myself and invite you to my AM Days workshop at Affiliate Summit East on May 24th and 25th in New York City. I'm one of 3 co-founders and the Chief Business Officer at GravityFed.com. We're a Utah-based team that manages influencer campaigns and affiliate programs for both direct-to-consumer brands as well as e-com retailers. The name of my session is How to Generate Partnership-Driven Editorial Content. And in this workshop, we'll deep dive to cover influencer and partnership discovery, both in-network and out, and how to leverage these partners to generate content that will impact your bottom line. I'll show live examples, step you through processes, and cover best practices, including how to track and measure these engagements, from campaign types and requirements to the overall execution and management of deliverables. Most importantly, I will emphasize realistic expectations that align with how this landscape is evolving. Here's a hint. If you want quality content that reaches a large audience, be prepared to offer more than just a commission. What I hope attendees will take away from my session is a better understanding of the evolving partnership landscape, how it's changed over time, and why it's important to leverage partners for content creation. I hope to see you in New York City in May at Affiliate Summit East. Thank you.